Bia, Salam Alaikum. I was meeting any Akosia Sparkles. Attention TV is on all social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. We do YouTube by Attention TVGH. We do Facebook and so Attention TVGH. We call Twitter and so Attention TVGH. You follow, you like, subscribe, comment, and also share for us. But and then you will Facebook Live. And I'm not paying for a good time. More Muslim for and then that's not say, oh, studio, I have to say. One is 7 last day at this year and this year. When you say, maybe I charge you ultimately back now, would be a farm Muslim, a son, and no more. Now, and then 24 million Matanasi, which are more and Sana, then you're more action come on. Now, make us ask that I say, and come over no summer snake. Lady, a copy more a war, I will come a keva, a Royal Enterprise. Royal Enterprise, enterprise on your stainless steel one with your motor. So we'll see you, and I will see you not so your renovation if I was stainless steel one patrol, a Royal Enterprise or I will come cave. What was so per was so university as Senate. None I dear all year, and I am year all year and was some patrol friend. I was 05483029885. 05483029885. Now, make ourselves. Also, why we see a medium the advertising product and as a Jumano says, and as a song. The patron number now is school in the Falaco, now the marketing department and Casa, now we are into the informal. We are software and as the person you see a medium means so Eddie extending a war and as the Nakopon Eddie Achel Sudan Patron. Numbers now in so a school in Fenoso Baco, now only department so. Enkasa emfa midi ene akosia sparkles ye maboslami phone na edo fertile ai ene nkokɔ ne mpɔnche na mbekura ya nkasa akosia metist de ha enkasa na mekasa ekombede me drink no so na wasanso e de apem so na mo de abrɛ me e wo studio ha me ma mentwa me ba meda mpinifo ekokuda me edi na ya ne on ahwe Abusia me da sese unya bre and the chema me twa me ho sema pe and the ebaye and the akusia many penifo ana atnasi our studio hand say now me say the penifo na atnasi that na on be impact into our lives and you be can on back out that be nyansan adukrom yakopon e atai ka se nyansan e wo peniti etim and the ya penifo tai ka se se wo fudua na the uso your food Japan piano na akola na ugina forma we hu peni no ugina chirechire kra obehu kra e de asno nte na ene penifo e be kasa na omoye Muslim for na say they are Muslims nte na we are in their festive season we are celebrating Eid al-Fitr. I hope they brought me some good meat and drinks here. Basha mama papa basha my wife.
Thank you so much. It was
me dance. It's a bibia boko. Eid al-Fitr. Basha me start with saliki. Eid al-Fitr na ekose.
Oh, I started festival. I started Ebimu Amaya Sorende, but officially, Mr. Ochinana with the command permission of the chief imam Ochinana the local independence school na Yakoyen official for Ghana.
Okay, so meaning that and then a fasting na ending.
Yeah.
But and then your festival.
It's part of the festival, and then the festival is starting there. But when we say Hanu. Holidays, it continues for 3 days.
Okay.
So you can choose to pray today, you can choose to pray tomorrow, okay, or the next day. But Ochina is holiday based on Ochina until where you should that opportunity for giving us that holiday. Now you call independent. Now you are official. But we person we are there. No problem, you can still do it.
Okay, but Ochina not for independence. Okay, but some person will introduce you more in the second month. A trainer now for.
Your friend is Sariki Sheriff Adam, very popularly as Sariki Gaddafi.
Sariki Gaddafi.
Me Sariki for Agapi Gonso.
But only yes, sleeping your boyfriend. Because Obi in person clear don't say Obi who flyer no Obi say slay queen back could be but
why are confusion? Maybe
yeah flyer Anna yeah the 12 said the minister key ebe kasa and Obi who not and then your slay queens for back boyfriend no
why kasi me pre-wedding photos we worry and your flyers no
me come here be say me be say enye wo na we slay queen for no enye wo na we slay queen boyfriend
or say I did the allegation if you are picture na your fake until you person won't come with if they don't want to talk just leave them to talk if people want to talk you have to allow them you want to flow so they will say enjoy on normal flow
okay pass what was
so mentality agape concept ewa abukuma nti ohana ne sarkino that sarkino automatically chose you have command over Muslims over there say we sure see bibia yenchana ho with asumji everything go perfectly
okay but also going to so Akafama
yeah this one we do the Malam Sani
yeah Saliki Sani
Malam Sani
is it
it's Malam Sani
okay
yeah Malam Sani yeah now I'm every doctor yeah always I'm friendly doctor that is doctor
okay so you're a doctor
yeah
in by profession or by
doctor in
doctor
wow Arabic
yeah
meaning that you understand Arabic what's Arabic now say and then they wish Arabic or I say or so training Arabic okay but my main bravo so say you can say obi a command over Muslims so should there be people or someone who can organize them because we know that Muslim and if Muslim need their field penny do or back direct say or more but should there be say by any Muslim need because in Christian pattern I mean yes a comparison sorry to do comparison but for you to understand my question and Christian you go your community say na wo kana you need obi wo wa you can say or that Christians for apple where we are at school junction until we say why that position
so we share a Holy Quran
okay
Quran say atiu Allah wa atiu Rasul wa ulil amri minkum or say follow Allah which means God
okay
follow his prophet and then the people who has authority meaning your leaders so it's part of the teaching of Islam you have to obey your leaders so far as they are not leading you astray you get it so what we do here is every community we have Muslim community there that form a Zongo
okay
so at the top we have Greater Accra Council of Zongo Chiefs which means all the Zongo chiefs within all the communities in Accra they fall under that organization that is Greater Accra Council of Zongo Chiefs. The same applies to the Malams like Malam Sani here.
okay
He is a Malam, he's an Imam.
okay
So he being an Imam, automatically he fall under office of the National Chief Imam. So we have two offices.
okay
We have the Council of Zongo Chiefs office that controls the affairs of the chiefs,
okay
our traditional chiefs. We also have the office of the Imam that also control the Imams within the various communities. So these two offices work hand in hand because it takes care of culture, tradition and all that, and then this also take about our religion, our spiritual life and all that. So we all work together. So that's why wherever you see Sariki, you have to see Imam. That's how it's supposed to be because one way or the other we are doing similar work, but it differs even though there's a slightly difference in terms of the work that we do in our communities. It's about promoting the community, bringing sanity in the community, making sure your people are well to do and all that. So that is the command. When we say command, it's not about doing things that will go against the law. No, it's within the frame of the law. You have to make sure people pray, people work, people help each other, according to the law of the country, and then also the direction of the Quran. So that's how it's supposed to be.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Let me go to my chief imam. Okay, so what's the what can I say? What's the activity of a chief imam? Chief imam was said there anything?
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. I'm say chief imam now.
If I show Umar Kasana,
okay. I'm say chief imam.
Okay.
Obia oil leader of imams.
Leader of imams. And then you allow a bank.
The leader of imam is chief imam. Imams know different imams.
Okay.
And you have to be mosque 2, 3, 4, 5 mosques. There's imams. But and I a chief imam. Nti ono chief ono na time bia oni the other imams a year meeting for Islam program. So they were said be to chima na omasisi and na it's a chief imam.
Okay. When we were back to Saliki, why is Saliki away? Also share on crop also. How many times do you check on your people in humanity? Or you don't check on anybody?
I don't know if you say how many times do I check. What I don't know what you mean by it.
Yeah, I'm saying this because you are the head, okay? And as if I say I want to mix with the tree because maybe I know be sharing, maybe I'm rough. Until you want on my your president and I will damn
Alright.
He checks on us every year. That is when he brings up the state of nation address to address the nation.
Okay.
And also, if you could remember, COVID-19 by he was always updating us and also checking on us to tell us, say, when you go out, social distancing, more fine Obian Shen nose mask. And to what way Salika Wakasa Muslims are do you check on them or how many times now check you on them?
First and foremost, I live with my people.
Okay.
Miti Agapi Ho, Miti Gonse. That's where I live. We pray together, we have mosque. As a Muslim, you have to pray 5 times a day.
Yeah.
So far as there's a mosque, automatically all the Muslims, they come out, we pray together. So if there's any discourse, every Friday, we do Friday prayers. There's a sermon, you need to be on the sermon. If there's any information, any updates, just as you are talking about the update about the COVID-19.
Yeah.
Through the mosques, we are able to share information. And then now, things are very easy because of the platforms, WhatsApp platforms.
Yeah, the WhatsApp platform.
So automatically, the majority of my people, they are on WhatsApp platform.
Oh, okay.
So it's even very easy to access them.
Okay.
And aside that, Muslims, we do gathering.
Yeah.
Small time.
You do gathering. Yeah.
Small time, another time, so many activities within the Muslim community. So sharing information in the Zongo or Muslim community, it is the most easiest thing. So from time to time, they know what you do.
But
it will surprise you to know, as I even left my place to here, over 100 people know that I'm here.
You're here.
Even without the advertisement.
Wow.
Sometimes. So it's accessible, it's very simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like every where a community where Muslims are, there is a Zongo. Why?
Zongo.
What does Zongo actually mean? Because we all know that, like I said, maybe a Zongo,
No. People have just corrupted that name.
So I want you to direct us now.
Anyway, my great grandfather, he formed the first Zongo in Accra in the 18th century.
Your great grandfather?
Yeah, he formed the first Zongo in Accra. He came here in the 1850s.
Okay.
As Imam, he was spreading Islam. That was what brought him. But within the people he came with, one person can form a Zongo. Automatically, there are people who help him form a Zongo.
Yeah.
But he being the leader at that time, he is a Muslim leader, like he's a chief imam. And actually, there are certain books which it would even tell you that he is even the first chief imam in Accra.
Wow.
Yeah, if you look at
before our current chief.
Before no, I think he's the 5th or 6th.
Oh, okay.
We have chief imams, his predecessors. Yeah, you understand. But this chief imam is just unique.
Okay.
In some way.
Okay.
You understand. So when Zongo is a Muslim name. It is not Zongo is a Muslim. It's a Hausa name. It is not Zongo. It's corrupted.
Yeah, that's why I wanted you to mention it again.
The correct name is Zongo.
Zongo.
With A. So instead of A, they corrupted the A to O.
Okay.
You understand? Zongo is Zongo. What it means is, I want to stay here for a while and then leave. Just as a trader. Maybe you are a trader. You bring your goods from the north to come and sell. So whilst you are selling, you just make yourself comfortable here till all your goods is sold out. Then you can pack your things and go.
I'm interested in this part. That is Ebusian for me Pamucho. And there Salika Mayatias say it's not Zongo. No. It's Zango. ZANGO.
Perfect.
It's impartial. Corrupt idea now more about there was this incident was it a shaman in which they were firing guns, and we had some people from Ghana saying that Zongo for the say or my brother say. So if someone comes from a Zongo and the person is very decent or living a chaste life, you would say like this person, the family or the Islam family that he or she is coming from, that he stays at Zongo, meaning that they are very strict and they are disciplined. And today you've in fact educated us on that Zongo life. But why is it that all the time those who live at Zongo